Let's look at finding a missing side using trigonometry. I've got here some how-to steps for us on the right-hand side to help us with our process, and a picture of a right-angled triangle for us to find an unknown side of. We're going to find x. So our first step, finding unknown sides of a right-angled triangle, is labeling the side we know and the side we are trying to find as opposite, adjacent, or hypotenuse. We know this side 51, and that is the adjacent side, so I'm labeling that A. We know this side x, and that is the opposite side, so I'm labeling that O. Now that I've done that, I need to decide which trigonometric ratio to use using SOHCAHTOA. I have the opposite and adjacent, so I'm going to use TOA, the tan function, or the tan ratio. And I can see in step 3, the tan ratio is tan theta equals opposite over adjacent. So I'm going to write that down. Our next step is to substitute in our values for the side and angle. So we have tan, our theta or our angle is 18. Our opposite side has x written on it, and our adjacent side says 51. Now we need to rearrange for the ratio for the unknown side we're trying to find. A little bit of algebra here. We can see x divided by 51. We need to move that divided by 51. So we do the inverse, which is multiply by 51. On the right-hand side of the equation, those 51s will cancel, and we'll just have the x left over. But we also have to multiply the left-hand side by 51, and I like to write that up here. We know if there's no operation, it's multiply, so that is 51 times tan 18. So to make that a little tidier, we can write it as x equals 51 tan 18. You can skip this step, but it is nice to tidy it up. Then you pop that in your calculator. And to access tan, or the tangent function, you press the button that says TAN on your calculator. And you have 51, we'll have 51 tan 18, which will give us 16.57 for that unknown side length. And that was our final step. Calculate with your calculator highlighted down there.